Is it 44?
Checkpoint boost. What would
So
it be?
114.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy, I got it.
All right.
Force healer. I got 5 of those. Force
Oh, God
What
damn.
the fuck?
What the hell?
I think that was a faulty repair kit. I'm not gonna lie. I do not know what just happened.
God damn.
No refunds.
I do not know what just happened. But...
Yeah, well, I'd try to play that. If not, it's Blackwater's problem now.
God damn.
Yep. I am in complete agreement with you.
Mm-hmm. Let me see here.